Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Decide your game type preference and playtime commitment before searching for players. Write down whether you want competitive or casual sessions and the number of players you prefer. Pick a preferred platform and list up to 3 platforms where you already play. Note your typical availability and set a realistic weekly playtime, such as 2 hours on 3 weeknights. Identify social goals like meeting friends versus improving rank. This clarity saves time and attracts compatible teammates. Join community hubs like Discord, Steam groups, and Reddit for targeted matchmaking. Search for servers and groups that match your game and your time zone. Use game lobbies, in-game events, and community nights to meet new players organically. When posting invites, include your time zone, 2-hour session length, and preferred roles. Send friendly direct messages to people who respond and propose a short trial match. Track which communities give the best matches and focus your energy there. Start with a short 30 to 45-minute trial match to test chemistry and roles. Keep communications simple and positive during the trial to see if personalities mesh. If the session goes well, set a repeating schedule such as weekly 2-hour sessions and confirm time zones. Use calendar invites or platform reminders to reduce no-shows. Offer brief post-game feedback and listen to teammates for improvement. Maintain patience, be consistent, and drop toxic players respectfully to protect your gaming circle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.